Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best meal replacement shakes that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Ensure Plus Therapeutic Nutrition Vanilla Flavor Liquid. This product is a ready-to-drink shake that's especially popular among those looking to gain or maintain a healthy weight. Packed with 350 calories per serving and boasting 27 vitamins and minerals, it's designed to provide comprehensive nutrition in a convenient grab-and-go format. The inclusion of zinc, vitamin A, and antioxidants like vitamin C, E, and selenium also supports immune health, which is a nice bonus. The design is practical with its compact 8-ounce bottles, making it easy to carry around. The vanilla flavor is smooth and enjoyable, and the consistency is creamy without being overly thick. While it's not the most appealing option for plant-based eaters, it does cater to those with dietary restrictions, being free from fish, soy, and wheat allergens. However, it contains milk, so it's not suitable for lactose-intolerant individuals. In terms of value, Ensure Plus is a fantastic option for those who require additional calories and nutrients in a convenient liquid form. While it shines in terms of nutritional density and portability, it might not be ideal for those looking for a low-calorie or plant-based alternative. Pros include its doctor-recommended status, immune-supportive nutrients, and great taste. Cons would be its limited suitability for specific diets and the lack of pricing transparency. Coming in at number 4 is the Nutrition Plan High Protein Chocolate Shake by Orgain Vital. If you're looking for a protein-heavy option, this shake delivers an impressive 30 grams of high-quality protein per serving. It's specifically formulated for muscle recovery and growth, making it a fantastic option for gym-goers or individuals with high protein requirements. Additionally, it has only 2 grams of sugar and 2.5 grams of fat, so it's a lean choice for those keeping an eye on their macros. The design emphasizes portability, with each shake conveniently packaged in an easy-to-carry 1-flower-ounce bottle. The chocolate flavor is rich and satisfying without being overpowering, and the ultra-filtered, low-fat milk base ensures a smooth texture. It's also lactose and gluten-free, which makes it digestible for those with sensitivities. However, it's worth noting that this product may not suit those following vegan diets, as it's derived from milk. In terms of value, this product is ideal for individuals focused on fitness and muscle building. It's easy to consume pre- or post-workout and delivers substantial protein without unnecessary sugars or fats. Pros include its high protein content, portability, and low sugar levels. On the downside, it lacks plant-based protein options and may feel more niche compared to other general meal replacement shakes. At number 3, we have the Orgain Organic Vegan Meal Replacement Protein Powder. This is our budget-friendly pick at $31.25, and it's an excellent choice for those seeking clean, plant-based nutrition. With 20 grams of protein derived from organic peas, brown rice, and chia seeds, this shake provides all 9 essential amino acids. The addition of 7 grams of prebiotic fiber supports gut health, and the inclusion of greens, fruits, and vegetables adds a nutrient-dense edge to this product. The creamy chocolate fudge flavor is a standout feature, delivering a rich and indulgent taste that doesn't feel overly artificial. The powder mixes well in water or milk alternatives, and at 230 calories per serving, it's a filling option for those looking to replace a meal. Plus, it's certified USDA organic, non-GMO, and free from soy, dairy, and gluten, making it a versatile option for a wide range of dietary needs. In terms of value, Orgain delivers a lot for its price. It's ideal for budget-conscious buyers who want a clean, vegan-friendly option without compromising on flavor or nutrition. Its pros include affordability, clean ingredients, and versatility. However, the powder form may not appeal to those who prefer the convenience of ready-to-drink shakes. And its calorie content might be on the higher side for those on strict calorie-controlled diets. Taking the second spot is the Ensure Plus Milk Chocolate Nutrition Shake with Fiber. Like its vanilla counterpart, this shake is packed with 350 calories and 27 vitamins and minerals. But it also includes fiber for additional digestive support. Each serving contains 16 grams of protein, making it a solid option for individuals looking to maintain or gain weight while supporting their overall health. The milk chocolate flavor is a crowd pleaser, offering a rich and satisfying taste. The ready-to-drink format is convenient and portable, perfect for busy individuals who need a quick meal replacement or snack. It's also free from fish, soy, and wheat allergens, but it does contain milk, which may not suit everyone. This product is ideal for those requiring both calorie-dense nutrition and digestive support. Pros include its high-calorie content, added fiber, and great taste. On the downside, the lack of pricing transparency and its unsuitability for lactose-intolerant individuals are worth considering. Finally, taking the #1 spot is the Garden of Life Meal Replacement Shakes Raw Organic Vanilla Protein Powder. This premium option comes in at $46.99, and it truly earns its place at the top with its exceptional ingredient profile. Each serving delivers 20 grams of plant-based protein, 7 grams of fiber, and a host of vitamins and minerals, all at just 150 calories. The inclusion of probiotics and digestive enzymes sets it apart, promoting better nutrient absorption and gut health. The vanilla flavor is smooth and natural, with none of the chalky aftertaste that often plagues protein powders. The mixability is excellent, whether you're blending it in a smoothie or shaking it with water. Plus, the product is packed with certifications: USDA organic, non-GMO, NSF-certified gluten-free, vegan, and kosher. This makes it an impeccable choice for those with specific dietary restrictions or preferences. While it's on the pricier side, the Garden of Life Meal Replacement Shake offers exceptional quality and performance. It's perfect for health-conscious individuals who value clean, organic ingredients and digestive health. Pros include its high-quality formulation, excellent taste, and added probiotics. The only con is its higher price point, but for those who prioritize premium quality, it's worth the investment. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.